Hey guys, welcome to Anonymous UPSC Aspirant. So today I had to finish till class 50, but the problem was that this was based on the assumption that I had to start from class 35. But the problem is that I actually had to start from class 33. I had only finished till class 32 last time, so there was a slight confusion, and that is why I made this target. So anyway, today I have so the target automatically becomes that I had to reach till class 48, and I have managed to reach to class 46. I have Today I have done from class 33 to class 46. So this is done, and for tomorrow now the target is again 15 more classes. So for tomorrow the target is to reach class 60 of anthropology. The issue here is that I did not revise anthropology properly in the time when the exam was postponed. So during like June and July, I should have revised it better, and I think that's one of the major mistakes I made. So for all of you watching, maybe just try, if you're like giving prelims next year or whatever, so just ensure that your optional is at least ready, because right now it's taking a lot of time. And I mean, I did not really enjoy the foundation course that I did. Maybe it could have been from a better place, but anyway, it's done now. It's no point crying about it. But anyway, maybe I did not take the classes seriously, or maybe the frequency of Sosin ma'am and me did not match. But now I have no other option. So the thing is, I have to just finish this till class 60. So I had a plan to write a test on Sunday, but obviously all my plans are now messed up, because I did not anticipate how much time anthropology was going to take. I thought that in 5 to 6 days I will be able to revise, but I think it will take me 10 days. So maybe 1 week I will have to postpone everything in my plan 1 week. But let's see what happens. अभी तक तो ठीक है. Class 60 तक अगर कल हो जाता है, so that means that if it goes according to this progression, it means that on Tuesday I will be able to finish anthropology, right? Because so Sunday को class 75, Monday को till class 90, और लास्ट की क्लासेस मैंने उतने अच्छे से करी नहीं हुई, मतलब मैंने वीडियोस भी मेरी रहती हैं 1-2, तो 10 classes for the last day. So that's Tuesday. So if I finish till Tuesday, then I think then at least still a realistic target can be made. Like I can give 2 tests till Sunday with 1 test of ethics and 1 test of essay, and then go to my GS preparation. So okay, things are becoming very real and tough होता जा रहा है धीरे धीरे, but ठीक है, I am trying my best. And the one good thing is that I'm enjoying and I am putting in a decent effort. आज का दिन मेरा अच्छा रहा. Like I spent a lot of time in the library and I worked hard. So the good, I think I should write that down also, that I'm putting in a decent amount of effort. Obviously there is scope for more, but I think rather than trying to put in more hours, I should be more consistent, because I think I'm studying about 12 hours every day. So if I'm like focused on consistency, then maybe this would be a good way. Honestly, every day मुझे ये feeling आती है कि I need, honestly बताऊँ तो I think I need 1 month more to give this means like absolutely properly. अभी वो 1 month का deficit है, but ठीक है, कम करने की कोशिश करेंगे. एंड एनी वे नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट की तो बढ़िया तैयारी हो ही रही है, नो डाउट अबाउट दैट. I had accepted before coming into this preparation that it will take me some time, so that's one of the positive things. And ठीक है, I am focusing and I am working as much as I can. The only thing is I should I should be consistent now. No more days should be wasted. Like today I utilized the day, so I did 13 classes today and they were heavy classes. So कल भी ये सेम कैरी होना चाहिए, कल क्लास 60 तक ख़त्म होना चाहिए. तब 58 हो जाए ये भी ठीक है, कोई मतलब दैट्स ओके. एक आधी क्लास ऊपर नीचे हो सकती है डिपेंडिंग ऑन कंटेंट. शायद आर्कियोलॉजी आएगा तो मेरे को प्रॉब्लम होगी सारा पढ़ने में. बट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग हियर इज़ दैट मुझे मिस नहीं करने हैं डेज़. मुझे हर दिन एफर्ट करना है. बिकॉज अगर सारा सिलेबस एक बार कंप्लीट हो जाता है एंड मैं टेस्ट लिख लेता हूँ जितने मैंने मतलब प्लान किए हैं, आई थिंक दैट विल बी ग्रेट. एंड डेफिनेटली नेक्स्ट ईयर जो प्री और मेंस के बीच में जो गैप है वो काफ़ी है. नेक्स्ट ईयर 3.5 months हैं प्री और मेंस के बीच में. तो इफ़ आई हैव दिस लेवल ऑफ प्रिपरेशन देन नेक्स्ट ईयर डेफिनेटली आई विल बी इन अ वेरी गुड पोजिशन. एनी वे दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. एंड कल आई होप आई फिनिश टिल क्लास 60 एंड बाकी देखते हैं. वन टिप, अगर मतलब किसी को सुननी हो तो मैं ज्ञान नहीं बांट रहा हूँ, बस बता रहा हूँ. चूज़ योर फाउंडेशन टीचर फॉर योर ऑप्शनल केयरफुली. ओके, मतलब अदरवाइज यू विल सफ़र लाइक मी. चलो दैट्स इट एंड आई विल सी यू टुमारो.